Hi everybody. This is some of my beautiful creative mess. I've taken some of my scraps from my bank, the leftover acrylic pieces. I purchased a tutorial from Sherry Shine here on YouTube. Sharika's original handcrafted gifts. You can check her out. I'll leave a link in the description. She has a paid tutorial to teach you how to use your acrylic scraps and turn it into something beautiful. So this is some of the stuff that I played around with today with my acrylic scraps. I'm going to turn them into earrings and we'll see how it turns out. So stay tuned. I will leave a description to Sherry Shine's YouTube channel, Sharika's Originals, and you can check it out yourself.